Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking for cutting-edge designs and step-by-step guidance? With over 16,000 plans available, you'll never run out of inspiration or projects to tackle. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned veteran, our comprehensive guides cater to all skill levels. From crafting elegant furniture to building unique outdoor structures, we have plans that cover a wide range of woodworking interests. Each plan comes with precise measurements, detailed diagrams, and easy-to-understand instructions. Our plans are designed to maximize the use of basic tools, saving you both time and money. Join our community of woodworkers and gain access to exclusive tips, tricks, and expert advice. If you're worried about making mistakes along the way, fear not. Ted's Woodworking offers comprehensive video tutorials to guide you through each step. From measuring and cutting to sanding and finishing, you'll learn the tricks of the trade from the comfort of your own workshop. No matter your woodworking goals or aspirations, Ted's Woodworking is dedicated to helping you achieve them. Unlock your creative potential and bring your woodworking dreams to life with Ted's Woodworking, the ultimate resource for all your woodworking needs.